Good morning, YouTube, because it's actually morning. Do I normally record my videos at almost midnight or after? Yes. Is the sun normally down and my room normally looks a lot more attractive? Yes. Did I get up early? Because I heard that XG dropped a video for In the Rain and I might be late for work because I got to see it before I clock in? Absolutely. Because what? Gang, what's good? Welcome back to the channel. It's early. It's bright. The sun is out. This is not normal. You can see more of my house than I normally allow y'all to see. But it's okay, because we got a good reason for being here. And you know what that is? XG dropped a video, y'all. Alphaz rise. It's our time to shine. What do you think? XG dropped a video. XG dropped a video for In the Rain. Just don't you still have to watch all of their older videos? If they would stop putting out new ones, I would have time. It's fine. I do have to go to work. So let's crash out together. Yes, let's just, I don't even have words. I'm barely awake. I'm barely awake. My eyes have not unswollen from the sleep. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Because you know why? Because they left us in the rain. Let's go look at it. In the Rain. In the Rain gives you like early 2000s R&B vibes. Like I always say, early 2000 R&B vibes is literally singing your heart out to somebody that left you, and it's raining out the window, and you holding your ear and moving your mouth like this while you singing. So like, yeah. Okay, here we go. Who is this? Is this Jareen? Oh my goodness. Juria. The headscarf, yes. Do I have my captions on? Chisa with the wet and wavy. Okay, wait. Is it water inside? Sing, y'all. Jury. Oh my God, wait. I already know the song because I listened to the album. This is cinema. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. And they look so good. I wonder if the water's actually there or if they added that after. Kokona look, y'all, in the most respectful way. Kokona is giving Oliver Twist couture because of her buzz cut and this hat, and I love everything about it. It's given, please sir, I want some more, and I'm fine with it. This is not an insult. I love it. I actually adore this. Oh my goodness. Cinema. Wow, I don't know where to look. Come on, Harvey. Oh my God, I love this. I'm trying to decide whether or not there's actually, nope, the bottom of their pants are wet. I think they're literally dancing in the water. These are my girls, bro. Coachella ain't ready for, Y'all, Coachella is not ready for XG. They think they're ready for XG, but they're not ready for XG. I'm surprised. Look at my baby Maya. Dance, y'all. I love watching XG dance. Wait, it's actually rain. I told y'all. Early 2000s, you gotta dance in the rain. They doing it for Lil Saint. It's them busting up out of their jackets, like, you know. Oh my God, I'm so impressed. I'm so impressed. I don't know. Okay. Oh my God. I'm so proud. You just want to body roll in your pain. Like, you just want to body roll in your pain. That was cinema. That was cinema. Oh my God. I'm watching it again. We're running it back. I'm sure I missed something. Let's do it again. I'm sure I missed something. Let's run it back. Like Julia coming in with a scarf around her head and the trench coat, the trench raincoat. Like, yes. I love everything about. I'm just sitting here in awe. This Jareen's face that face card will not decline ever in life. What the hell? Like, goodness gracious, it's fantastic. I'm so impressed. And then they danced in the water. I can't wait for the making film. I'm so excited for the making film to see how they came up with the concept and how they felt about dancing literally in like puddles of water. That's at least 1.5 inches of water because you gotta have it like about 1.5 inches for the kick to come up. Oh my God, it's so great. I cannot wait. I am so excited for the making film. It should probably be out within a week or so. I'm excited. I'll probably make shorts. I'm so excited. You do be feeling insane when you be dancing like all by yourself after, you know, you get left by a significant other. Don't ask me how I know. I do be in the rain. I'll be body rolling in the rain too. Yeah, true story. Yeah. I'm going to get me a suit made just so every time I go through a relationship breakup, I'm going to literally just put the suit jacket on and just be body rolling to In the Rain. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I'd get a fedora, but my head is too big. It look good on Chisa though. It looks great on Chisa. If I could get, man, listen. Dance, y'all. I love watching them dance. Coachella is not ready for my girls. I promise I'm gonna go back and watch the other videos, y'all, but it's just like, they gotta stop putting out new. I think I got time. We'll see, maybe. We'll see what happens. I love it so much. Okay. The rain. Oh my Lord. my God. And I just, you left me in the rain, 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 in the rain. Alphas, we up. Oh my goodness. I love this. Let me, oh God, I'm gonna be late for work. Oh goodness.